Here question is the half-life of a particular particle as measured in the lab is 4.0 in 10 to the minus 8 second when its speed is 0.8 c. Its actual lifetime is. We know here given is t is equal to 4.0 into 10 to the minus 8 second. We know t is equal to t0 divided by root over 1 minus v square by c square. ଏବେ ଆମେ ଟିର ଭ୍ୟାଲୁଟା ଏଠି ପୁଟ୍ କରିଦେଲେ ଏବେ ଟି ଜିରୋ ଇଜ୍ ଇକ୍ୱାଲ୍ ଟୁ ଟି ଇଣ୍ଟୁ ରୁଟ୍ ଓଭର୍ 1 ମାଇନସ୍ ଭି ସ୍କୋୟାର୍ ବାଇ ସି ସ୍କୋୟାର୍ ଇଜ୍ ଇକ୍ୱାଲ୍ ଟୁ ଟିର ଭ୍ୟାଲୁଟା ପୁଟ୍ କରିବା ରୁଟ୍ ଓଭର୍ 1 ମାଇନସ୍ ଭି ପ୍ଲେସ୍ରେ ଭି ଦେଇଛି 0.8 ସି ଦେନ୍ 0.64 ସି 0.64 सी स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय सी स्क्वायर सब वैल्यू पुट कर देले हमार आंसर बाहर 2.4 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 8. Here answer is option number B. Here question is the total energy of a particle is precise twice its rest energy. Its speed is here we know E is equal to gamma m0 c square and the rest mass energy हेले m0 c square. ये क्वेश्चन देजी टोटल एनर्जी ऑफ पार्टिकल इज प्रिसाइज ट्वाइस माने E इज इक्वल टू 2E0 रेस्ट मास एनर्जी डबल हम दैट इम्प्लाइज यार वैल्यू आम अच्छे गामा m0 c square इज इक्वल टू 2m0 c square. सी स्क्वायर m0 कैंसल दैट मीन्स गामा इज इक्वल टू 2 ये गामार वैल्यू कौन 1 बाय रूट ओवर 1 माइनस भि स्क्वायर बाय सी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2 दैट इम्प्लाइज 1 माइनस भि स्क्वायर बाय सी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2 रो स्क्वायर 1 बाय 4. That implies d square by c square is equal to 3 by 4 होगा. That implies b by c is equal to root 3 by 2 is equal to 0.866 c. Option number A is correct. Question is if a particle of rest mass m0 moves with speed c by root 2 then its mass would be. Next, a particle of rest mass m0. Rest mass here m0 and m is relative mass. We know m is equal to m0 divided by root over 1 minus b square by c square. ये रिलेशन m0 m भितर रिलेशन आम जानी ये स्पीडटा हूँ c by root 2 माने v ये पुट करिया v जगह आम c by root 2 पुट करिया m0 divided by 1 minus c by root c square by 2c square. Is a cancel 1 minus 1 by 2 m0 divided by root over 1 by 2 is equal to root 2 m0. Option number A answer. Here question is the wavelength of light coming from a distant galaxy is 0.5% more than that coming from a source on earth. So what is the velocity of galaxy? We know del lambda by lambda is equal to v by c. v by lambda that implies ये जरा हम पुट करवे ये 0.5 divided by 100 टच सोचता 100 नहीं आवे is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. एटा हम काय दे इक्वल अछि v by c सहित then v is equal to c रा वैल्यू हम 3 into 10 to the 8 हम जानि छी एठी पके देबा 3 into 10 to the power 8 into 5 into 10 to the minus 3 is equal to 2 into 15 into 10 to the power 5. That is equal to 1.5 कर दिया कारण ऑप्शन ने हमरा ए टाइप दीजी 26 मीटर पर सेकेंड पॉइंट रे अछि ना पॉइंट भाग करे पे आंसर हमारे एटा है. Your question is, if the Bohr orbit of hydrogen atom, the total energy of the electron is minus 21.75 into 10 to the minus 19 joule, then the potential energy will be. We know energy formula is minus E square divided by 8 pi epsilon 0 r, and potential energy formula is minus E square divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 r. We also know potential energy is 2 times of total energy. That implies here potential energy is total energy is 3. Then potential energy is equal to 2 into minus 21.75 into 10 to the minus 19 joule is equal to minus 43.52 into 10 to the minus 19 joule. So minus 19 joule. Option number A is correct. Here question is, if according to Bohr model of hydrogen, the ionization energy of the atom in its ground state is 13.6 electron volt, then the energy required to ionize the atom from its fast excited state will be. We know total energy En is equal to U1 divided by n square. Bohr's model आम जानी आयनेशन एनर्जी बाहर कले आमर एटा नेगेटिव हो नेगेटिव ऑफ U1 आयनेशन एनर्जी ले माइनस U1. Then here question is U1 is equal to minus 13.6 electron volt. n रे आम 1 2 3 4 ऑनवर्ड्स लगे परिबा. n फास्ट एक्साइटेड स्टेट हेले then E2 is equal to E1 divided by 2 the square is equal to minus 13.6 divided by 4 is equal to minus 3.4 electron volt. और आयनेशन एनर्जी बाहर कले नेगेटिवटा पुणी पॉजिटिव हो जाए 3.4 electron volt. Here question is, the Larmor precessional frequency of f of an electron of charge E in a magnetic field is. डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला दीजिए EB by 4 pi m. Here question is, what is the kinetic energy T of a photoelectron from the K cell of an atom if Ek is K ionization energy? Then we know from photoelectric effect in a metal H mu is equal to kinetic energy maximum plus work function phi. Then here kinetic energy is T is equal to H mu minus Ek. It is to पड़ेगा. Option number B is correct. In Compton scattering, the incident photon loses maximum energy to the electron when a photon is scattered at lambda dash minus lambda is equal to lambda c 1 minus cos phi. Compton effect formula এটা হচ্ছে Compton wavelength. तो बड़े phi maximum at 180 degree 180 degree phi हेले एठी हमर minus 1 है जो cos 180 minus 1 1 plus 1 हेले 2 lambda c. Here Compton wavelength is maximum. So answer is option number D. Which one of the following pair of phenomena illustrate the particle aspect of wave particle duality? Answer is option number B, photoelectric effect and Compton effect. The energy of a particle in a box are given by answer n pi square h cross square divided by 2 ml square. Option number B. Which of the following wave function can be solution to Schrodinger's equation for all values of x? Answer is option number D, psi is equal to a e to the minus x square. Next question is, which of the following operators is linear? D cap u is equal to del u by del x. How many Bravais lattice can exist in nature? 14 Bravais lattice. Which of the following Bragg reflections are absent for FCC crystal? For FCC crystal, for all odd even combination of HKl. odd even combination यदि मिसिक रहिबो ताल सेटा एब्सेंस रहिबो FCC क्रिस्टल पे तो एठी हमर ऑल ऑड एठी इवन ऑल अछि एठी से इवन सब अछि एठी गोटे ऑड आ इवन दीटा तो एथरे पई ऑप्शन रहिबो ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज करेक्ट द प्रोटॉन स्टेट इज UUD U ର वैल्यू होची +2/3e एंड D ର -1/3e UDD हेले 2/3 +2/3 -1/3 is equal to 4 -1/3 is equal to 3/3 is equal to 1 means 1 proton. Nuclear fission was explained by Liquidorff model. As a result of radioactive decay, a uranium nucleus changes to Pa91-231 nucleus. During the decay, the particle emitted are here atomic number 92, ये 91 है तो atomic number गोटे कमीगला ये 238 अच्छी ये आम 234 तो 4टा ये कमी तो केतटा डिके केतटा अल्फा केतटा बीटा 92 238 PA 91 234 प्लस अल्फा पार्टिकल फर्स्ट लिखा तापर बीटा पार्टिकल लिखा गोटे गोटे ही देन 1 अल्फा पार्टिकल इक्वल 238 ये 234 प्लस 4 238 इक्वल हो गला सहित ये 92 ये 91 93 -1 हो 92 ठीक हो गला ऑप्शन नंबर बी ड्यूरिंग ए नेगेटिव बीटा decay a neutron in the nucleus decays emitting an electron. Option C is because negative beta is neutron converts to P plus an electron neutrino electron. The last question is cyclotron used to accelerate positive ions only. Option number B is correct.